You know, I think when you represent your country that you have to take every day as that it's something special, and every time you are lucky enough to put on the kind of shirt for Wales, that you have to treasure it, because you're just not guaranteed anything. It was the most amazing thing in the world for me at that time.
Beautiful Wales, look at it! Yeah!
What we've done all campaign and what we can do will get us to where we want to get to. So even in the tough times out there, and it will be tough because that's football, there cannot be a moment of doubt. If I'd use one word out there, it's calm. Be calm at all times, because I promise you this, play like the way I know you can play, stick to the game plan, and we will win. Whether it be the first minute, the 60th, the 90th, but keep calm.
You know, my family are everything in my career. I wouldn't have been able to have made the decisions that I've made, the sacrifices that I've made, the sacrifices that they've made for my career. You know, I just wouldn't be the person that I am or the player that I am if it wasn't for my family. For us, doing it on the football field and being able to give that back, it will be, I mean, absolutely everything. Not just to us, but to our country too. We've grown as people together, not just as athletes, you know, and I think that's what we really enjoy about coming on Camp 2, that we're actually like friends and we care about each other and we support each other and we want to be there for each other, not just when it comes to football, but in life too, you know, and we want people to be okay, and I think that kind of helps our environment. see the number 10 for Wales, I see my name on the back of the jersey, and it kind of really hits me here a little bit, you know, when I see people having my jerseys, you know. It is really, really special. And it's hard, you know, when you know that that's gonna eventually stop. My number 10 with Fishlock on the back of it is something that will stay with me for the rest of my life.
Good. It's a wrap.